Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This video was a follow-up of a few past videos, 1 and 2, and this will be part 3 of me showing you how I removed this renters friendly contact paper from Amazon. I used a garment steamer to soften the contact paper, which made this job a lot easier. I just worked my way around the kitchen from left to right, and as you can see, the contact paper in these areas came off somewhat easy, leaving no residue, at least in most areas. And you can see just by looking that the contact paper is pulling away clean. However, later you will see how glue-like residue was left behind on a few doors, and I'll show you what I did to remove the residue later in this video. I only stayed in this townhome for 12 months, but I wanted it to look nice. And not only that, I wanted to create more content for my YouTube channel, and this was one of the ways I could showcase my creativity. I also applied backsplash that I got from the dollar store on the walls of this kitchen, which turned out really nice. I encourage you to watch that video and the one with me applying the same contact paper too. I will insert both videos at the end of this one. And here's where I used paper towel to grab one end of the contact paper because it got very hot. And look at the removal of this one piece. Absolutely no glue left behind. And once the contact paper was completely removed, I used 2 products to remove any leftover residue, Orange Glow and Dawn Power Wash. I also used a paint scraper to aid in the removal. And again, I did not have to do this to all the doors, just a few. And here's the aftermath of all the contact paper. The next clip is me showing you that I left the kitchen the way it was when I moved in. I'm really big on leaving a place better than how I found it. You can't even tell I ever changed anything, and I'm impressed and satisfied with the outcome. Here is where I zoomed in to show you that the leasing office decided to put a ceramic backsplash on the walls a month or so before I moved out, and I'm guessing in hopes to get me to stay. But I knew this was just an extended stay until I found better. I did insert an old clip of the dollar store's peel and stick backsplash so you can compare the two. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and comment down below.